Alright, so I'm thinking it's time to get some more organization done in this garage before it gets a lot colder. Planning on wiring up a heater, but I haven't done that yet, and it's already getting cold, so the heater's gonna go right up here, but I haven't done that yet. So I kind of want to get things somewhat more organized soon. So if I don't get the heater and I need a tool, I can come out here and kind of know where it's at right away. So on this wall over here, this is just kind of mocked up right now. This isn't really a workbench. I've just been messing around with some ideas. But what I want to do is I want to get some pegboard up on this wall and a little workbench. So I think what I'm going to do is run over to the old house and grab what I was using there and just repurpose it here. I was considering leaving it there, but then like maybe somebody else won't need that much space or whatever. I'm thinking maybe they can just do their own thing. Granted, I could go out and buy the stuff and just redo it here, but I've already got the stuff, so I'm just thinking that's a little bit of a money saving thing to do. So that's my plan. Let's head over to the old house. I'm gonna need my power drill. All right, well, here we are back in the OG Touring Midwest garage, the original where everything started. And this is what I'm working on. I'm gonna get my little workbench and this 4x8 sheet of pegboard out of here and take it to the new house. So this will actually work perfect for the space that I've got at the new house. It's been good to me this whole time, so why not repurpose it? And then there'll be a blank canvas for the new owner to figure out what they want to do with it. Alright, my Insta360 died. I should have had the thing charged, but I didn't. Anyway, got the pegboard over here. Just gotta get the rest of the stuff, the workbench and the trim board things unloaded from the truck. And then we can start getting them in place. Now the next thing is, I want to put some insulation in here. We're gonna insulate this whole room and everything, but for now, since I'm going to be working on this wall, I at least want to get this part insulated since it's going to be covered up. So I actually need to wait until I get some insulation to do that, but at least we can get this stuff unloaded and go from there. Got the workbench over here. We'll get back to this project once I get some insulation up on that wall there, and then we can get this wrapped up. Get some organization going in here. So yeah, this seems really random. Like, it don't seem very organized. I get that, and that's okay. My strategy, I guess if you want to call it that, is get everything up there. And then you can arrange things as you see fit, put things more together, or separate woodworking from automotive, or whatever you want to do. I just like to get everything at least up, then I can see what I've got and just go from there. So that's kind of where we're at. Feels good to get the tools out. It's not like my best tools. This is kind of just stuff you need, and it's definitely not all the tools I've got, but it's just easier than trying to dig through totes to find stuff when you need it, you know? That's why I wanted to get the pegboard up here.